Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I will show you guys how I achieve these cute, simple little ponytails. I've seen this hairstyle all over the internet and I just wanted to try this so bad. This hairstyle is very simple and easy to do. It's great for school, work, literally anywhere that you're in a hurry to and you just want to try something new. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys try this hairstyle out and let me know. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in the next one.